Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Tuff Collective YouTube channel. And today, what are we doing, Daniel?
Finally time to put the turbo on.
Yes! Finally time to put the Max Speeding Rods GT45 Turbo on the Wundun. Are you excited?
I'm excited. Are you excited, Richie?
I'm very, very, very excited. So, I've hunted through eBay and found the nicest slash cheapest manifold. It has a T4 flange, I'm looking at you to double check,
yep.
And a 50mm waste gate.
Correct.
Correct.
From
eBay.
These guys.
These guys. I'm very, very excited. Have no idea how it's going to sound. I don't know what it's going to look like.
We don't know if it's going to fit.
Yeah, we also don't know if it's going to fit on the bonnet because it's a massive turbo. So it's all just trial and error. What are we actually doing today? So we're going to test fit it.
We're going to bolt the manifold on, we'll bolt the turbo on, and we'll give it a first start and a bit of a rev, I think.
Yes.
See what it sounds like.
Do you think she's going to die?
Well, it's not going to be making any boost, so no.
Okay.
It's this is a very nice manifold for this piece of
It's very nice. Look at the welds. Yeah, very nice. Let's get Daniel to work and let's install this turbo. Here we have a wild Daniel.
Richard, film the correct not the wrong
This is the correct stuff. Here we have a wild Daniel walking around about to install a turbo in this Wundun Falcon. So right now, I think I know what he's doing. He's doing work. He's taking off the exhaust shield. Is that what it's called? Heat shield? Exhaust heat shield. Oh, yep, I'll grab that. Now he is taking off the old exhaust manifold.
Can we do that without narrating?
I just want to say another big thank you to Max Speeding Rods for sending us out this GT45 Turbo. The build quality is awesome. It feels super sturdy. Wow, manifold's out already. And also, I mean, look, it spins. What more could you want? If you guys want to check out any of Max Speeding Rod products, make sure to check the link in the description down below.
What are you doing right now, Daniel?
Making room.
Making room. So we're taking out away the coolant reservoir.
Look how much room there is, man.
Wow, look at all that room. I reckon we could put a turbo in there. Look at the size of this thing. Max Speeding Rods, you outdid yourself. This thing is enormous. 17.5 kilos, guys, for this.
It's a bit overkill with the flange,
flange,
with the outlet thickness.
The outlet thickness. Yeah, look at the size of that.
It's like
so
15mm thick or some shit.
So if you are going to order the GT45 Turbo, that is something to be aware of. So this is the manifold. Look at that.
I'm trying to talk, but Richie won't shut up.
Sorry. What would you like to say, my lady?
I can't remember now.
Oh. So describe what you're doing, Daniel.
I'm putting a manifold on.
Oh, see, you always say I'll never let you talk, but when you do talk, you say like 2 words. Oh, mate.
No, stop!
What are you doing?
Look what you've done now.
Oh no, I messed it up, guys.
You did actually.
Did I? Oh no.
I had it set and then you pulled it.
Whoops. You know what the fans have been missing, Daniel?
What?
Oh, scrap can.
Don't touch my parts.
How do you feel, Bronte? I touched Daniel's bum.
Not jealous.
Not jealous?
What the hell, man?
Daniel loved it.
If you guys have any portable air cons that you want to lend us, please. This workshop is so hot all the time, but we can't run the fan because it interferes with the noise. And when I drive here, the new Ford doesn't actually have aircon. And because of the new tint that we just got on the Ford, I can't put the windows down. So, yay me.
All right, Daniel, tell us, what are you doing now?
I'm putting the bolts in, Richard.
Man, can you say something entertaining?
I'm trying not to die. It's so damn hot. F***ing annoying, Richard.
Oh.
I'm just trying to work, man. I can't work in these conditions.
Daniel, I'm equally doing the same amount of work as you. All right? Oh, no.
Fug.
Oh, no.
Richard, it's going to have one less bolt.
Oh, no.
No bueno.
No bueno. We have dropped one of the manifold bolts, and since the exhaust is off and it's just on the ground there, we think that it's actually fallen into the exhaust.
We're also missing another one.
And we're missing a bolt for some reason. Oh God, I hope nobody watches this for how to install the turbo videos.
They're not going to watch it with you narrating.
What do you mean? This is a great narration.
Film cinematic.
You know what? It's time for the cinematics.
Give me a head wipe. Wipe the sweat off your head.
Just backhands you.
Wow.
So Daniel's just installed the eBay manifold onto the Wundun.
So we got the manifold on, now to see if the turbo's gonna fit.
Ooh yeah, turbo time, baby. Whoa, look at this, big meat. Whoa, look at that.
I think it's gonna fit.
That actually looks really good. Oh, no, not again. That actually looks really decent.
I think it's gonna clear. It's gonna be tight with the exhaust and everything.
You think there's room in the back? Just go straight out and down.
I reckon we go straight out and up.
Out and up?
Up.
But I just got the Wundun plates.
I hate how like fake they look, but they're not.
Yeah, I know.
Legit.
I actually had a lot of people ask, are they fake plates? I was like, no, I'm driving around with them. Man, look at that. That actually looks really good. It's like the shiniest thing in the engine bay.
It's way too nice for this car.
Yeah.
And for those that have been saying that we should chuck this turbo inside the new Ford, don't worry, the Ford will get its own turbo or its own power setup sometime soon.
1,000 shot and nice.
No. No. No.
1,000 likes and Richie will do ITBs.
1,000 likes and I'll do ITBs. And 1,000 likes on the wheel reveal video for the Ford and I'll get bags. We need 2,000 likes. 1,000 likes in this video and 1,000 likes in the wheel reveal video.
And it'll cost you $20,000.
How are the bolts going on? Any problems?
Yeah.
Oh,
They suck.
his name is Richard.
Well,
Oh.
now that you mention it.
So the bolt heads that we got, they might be a bit too big for the turbo because Daniel is having a bit of trouble trying to get it in.
We just got whatever bolts we could find.
You know what? Let's just zip tie it back on. Do you like that? Let's zip tie it back on. Why not? You think it'll melt the zip ties?
That's why you're banned from
Oh.
making executive decisions.
I just hold camera off. So Daniel has some good news for us. Daniel, what is the news?
The exhaust is going to go straight up and out.
Oh, not that kind of good news.
Oh, no. So the radiator coolant reservoir
The coolant reservoir.
still fits.
Oh, look at that. Like, is that going to melt the radiator?
Just don't worry about it.
Don't worry. Okay, sure.
It's not going to last that long.
All right, I want to see in the comments, how long do you think, when this is all pumped in or when this is all wired in or whatever happens, plumbed in. When this is all plumbed in, I want to know how long do you guys think this is going to last? All right, details about the engine. It has 130,000 Ks and that's all I know about it. Everything is rusted. Everything looks like arse. If it looks good, it's only because we cleaned it with acid.
Yes.
Yes.
Acid.
Acid. How long do you think this is going to last? Comments down below.
Do we run intercooler?
Oh, do we need... Okay. Do we need to run intercooler?
It's not going to last that long.
Will it last longer?
I think it's going to blow up pretty quick.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. How long do you think it's going to last?
With you driving?
Yes. With me
Half
driving.
an hour.
Half an hour on Limmy? Hell yeah.
We either go straight across, because I think we'll be able to get in there with like a
45
squash,
or something.
like a squash 3-inch. We might be able to slide it in. It'll
Yeah.
be tight. Or the other option is we get like a universal kit,
Oh, try and cut this
intercooler
open.
kit. Maybe Max Speeding Rods can send us one.
Yeah.
They do them.
Oh, yeah, true.
And we can do like a under the car front mount and then up.
Maybe. We'll have to, yeah, all right. We'll weigh up our options for that. If you guys have any other suggestions, let us know. Should we go intercooler or no intercooler? Remember, this is a piece of junk and it's probably going to blow up. So I swear to God, if I see freaking $2,000-3,000 options in those comments, Daniel's going to be mad.
I won't be mad. It's your money.
I'm going to be mad.
Let's do the first startup of the turboed Wundun. Oh, man, dude, that thing is enormous.
Yeah, that's pretty ridiculous.
Look at the size of that thing. Dude, it's huge. Oh my gosh.
Are you ready for a first start?
What have we created? I'm so ready for a first start.
And just a quick plug, if you guys want to purchase any t-shirts, stickers, jumpers, hoodies, anything, make sure to click the link in the description, head over to the Tuff Collective website, buy 2, get 1 free sticker sale going on at the moment. My personal favorite is the Don't Honk at Me, I'll Come sticker. Absolute favorite for obvious reasons. All your support gives us the ability to buy awesome stuff like this warehouse and have the $38 Falcon and
With a several $1,000 turbo setup.
yes, several $1,000 turbo setup. So if you guys want to support the channel, like, comment, and subscribe to the videos. Really helps out the algorithm. Let's do the first startup of the $38 Falcon with a giant turbo in it. Daniel, let her rip.
All right, you finished the upping now, so I can just say the bit I need to say.
Yeah, okay. Say your stuff, Daniel.
All right. So we haven't got any oil lines hooked up, so I've just sprayed some lubricant inside the bearings, so it's not going to damage it, but it might be a bit smoky.
This is the startup of the $38 Ford Falcon with the max beating rods GT45 Turbo. Let's hear it. Whoa. Look at it spin. Now we've flicked the Wundun switch, so now we can hit Limmy. Yep, ready! Let's go again! Woo-hoo-hoo! Holy Jesus! Woo! Daniel, what do you think about that? Damn! Holy Jesus! Woo!
I don't know why you're saying that.
I don't know.
I knew it was going to...
What were you touching it for? I thought you were like, oh yeah, it's overheating.
No, I'm just touching it to see if it got loose.
Oh, Daniel, what do you think of the setup? What do you think of the sound? What do you think of it?
I think once it's got a bonnet exit, hood,
no.
a hood exit, exhaust, and wastegate,
You're horrible.
it's going to
man.
be...
No.
I think for this one we'll do a full downpipe.
Yeah, full
and
downpipe,
scream
straight
up
down.
Under the car.
Yep.
I mean, plumbed back with a full mufflers and everything.
Of course.
Yeah.
Because it's road legal. We're going to do everything legal. Waypole, we love you.
But yeah, man, I think it's going to be pretty spicy.
Oh,
It's going to
very
lag.
spicy. Yeah. Ooh.
This also doesn't have first gear.
Yeah. So we're going to have to shove it into neutral, Limmy bash it, and then drop it into...
No, we are not doing
No,
that.
that's not how...
God,
okay,
no,
no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Don't listen to me.
We are not doing that.
We are not doing that. Are we doing that, Daniel?
No, we are not doing that.
Daniel, are we doing that?
No.
Okay, never mind. Ah, he burned himself.
That's
See?
No, it's a big motor, man. It's a 4-litre motor. It's huge.
It has 130,000 Ks. The motor's probably the best part of the car.
I think, honestly, if we maybe run like
Proper.
5-6 pounder boost,
Should we say?
it'll last.
Yeah. I think it will.
That wastegate only came with a 14-pound spring.
Oh,
So we're going to have to find a different one for it. But at least we have a dyno and a good tuner.
That's
we
it.
can actually dial it in.
massive thank you to Arcade Garage.
if you guys want to see how much horsepower the Wundun, the Mang, and the VF has, you can find those episodes on the channel. Don't miss them. The Wundun and the Mang, there might be buckets of shit, but their horsepower might surprise you.
I think we go shopping and we go get all the parts.
I definitely think we go shopping.
And then we get it all together and take it out.
Ooh.
That'll be in the next episode. This is going to be interesting. Hooking it up to the throttle body is going to suck because I don't know how in depth we want to go.
I'm thinking absolute as cheap as possible because
I don't think it's going to last.
I don't think it's going to last. That's why I want to go as cheap as possible. But
think-
whatever we set up, we can move to another car.
Exactly. So this will be reusable. But
Yeah.
I think if this does blow up, we'll find a turbo motor or a gas motor.
Yeah.
We'll build something for it and go skid it
We'll do it properly. Semi-proper.
properly.
Properly. Budget properly.
Once again, massive
Yeah.
thank you to Max Speeding Rods. If
Thank
you guys
you.
do want to grab anything from their website, use code TUFF, T-U-F-F.
If you guys want to support us, support the channel, like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying the content.
Share it with your mum.
Share it with your mum. Who knows? She might like turbo barrows.
She might.
She might.
Subscribe for more shenanigans.
Yeah. Subscribe for more shenanigans, guys. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, oogie, boogie.
Oogie boogie, oogie boogie.